Reduce or compress PDF file size with Doxillion. Start by adding your PDF files to the program. Click Select All, then click the Compress PDFs button on the Home tab. Choose either lossy or lossless compression and select the location where you want the compressed files to be saved. Once everything is ready, click Compress to reduce the size of your files. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to compress PDF files with Doxillion. Start by adding your PDF files by clicking the Add Files button or by dragging them into the application. Once added, the files will appear in the main list. If you want to compress all the files in the list, simply click the Select All button on the toolbar. If you prefer to choose specific files, hold down the Ctrl key or Command on macOS while clicking on the individual files you wish to compress. Once at least one PDF is added to the list, the Compress PDFs button will appear in the Home tab. Click this button to open the PDF Compression Settings dialog box, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-C to open the dialog. In the Image Compression section, you can choose between two options. Lossy compression reduces the size of image data in the PDF by removing some details, similar to saving a photo at a lower quality, which makes the file smaller but slightly less sharp. You can adjust the compression quality from 1 to 100. Lower quality results in greater data loss and a smaller file size. Lossless compression, on the other hand, reduces the image data size without any loss in quality. While the file size reduction is typically smaller, the original image quality remains fully preserved. In the Save Location section, you can choose where to save the compressed files. The same as Source File option will save the compressed PDFs in the same location as the original files. To select a different location, choose Folder and click the Browse button to pick an output folder. If you check Append Number to File Name, a number will be added to the file name, starting with 1. If the box is left unchecked, the compressed files will have the same names as the original files. Note that if the output path is the same as the input path, the original files will be overwritten. Once you've configured the settings, click the Compress button to begin the compression process. Doxillion will process your PDFs based on the selected settings. When the compression is finished, you can click the Open Folder button at the bottom of the screen to view your compressed PDFs in the designated folder. For more Doxillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.